Our project name is Booked. Booked is a web application that allows us to review books, have book discussions, and recommend books to other users. When a user goes to our application, they will see our homepage. To view any other pages of our application, they need to be signed in. So let's register for a new account. To sign up, we need to put in a valid email address and a password of minimum 6 characters. Let's say the email is john@memphis.edu. After a user successfully logs in, it takes you back to the home page. Next, John can change his account settings. To change his account settings, he can click on his email in the navigation bar. Here, he can create his public profile if he hasn't already made one. All fields of a public profile are required except recommended books. We have validations to check the presence and type of inputs for all form fields in our application. Once John has created his profile, he can view it. Here you can see John has a profile rating of 0 right now. He can also edit his profile. Let's say John wants to add design patterns to his list of recommended books. As you can see, it updates his profile. A user can also change their password. They need to know their current password before they can change it. So let's try changing the password for John. You can see the password was updated successfully. A user can search for a book using its title, genre, or rating on the application. To search for a book with a title, a user can enter words or letters contained in the title or the entire title of the book. Let's say John wants to search for the book Grapes of Wrath. There it is. A user can also search for a book using its genre. Let's say John wants to find all books of genre drama. So it shows all books of genre drama. A user can also search for a book using its rating. Let's say John wants to search for a book with a rating of 8. So Pride and Prejudice has a rating of 8. The user can click on the show to view the page of that book. If a user searches for a book and it doesn't exist, a user can create the book. All fields of a book are required except book review. On the book page, a user can create a book club if it doesn't already exist. So let's create a book club for this book. If a book club already exists, a user can join the existing one by clicking on Join Book Club. Let's search for a book that already exists. User can also create a new discussion on a book page. So let's create a new discussion on the book page that we just added. User can also comment on a discussion. You can see the name of the user who commented and the name of the user who created the discussion and their profile pictures. The name links to their profile page. Here you can see the profile rating of John has changed to 1 because he made one comment. For every comment a user makes, their profile rating increases by 1. Suppose a user forgets their password, they can click on Forget Password and enter their email address. After pressing the send password, the user will get an email on their email account with reset password information. Now let us log back in into the user account. A user can delete their account by going into their account settings page and clicking Cancel My Account. All model classes of our application have validations and associations. Let's run the test in terminal. We can see that it did 59 runs, 61 assertions with 0 failures, 0 errors, and 0 skips. This ends Teambook's demo for iteration 2. Thank you.